Hi guys, Simon from Sunraysia Home Loans here. Just speaking today about Lenders Mortgage Insurance, or LMI as it's referred to. It's a lot of people don't know what Lenders Mortgage Insurance is, or they know that they have to pay it, but they're not actually sure why they have to pay it or what they get out of it. So it sometimes can become confused with loan protection insurance or personal insurance, which covers life protection and income protection, and like if you die or get sick. It isn't to cover that. So lender's mortgage insurance, to put it very plainly, it covers the bank. So it's insurance against you as a client. In the event that something happens to you and you default on your loan and you can't pay it, and the bank has to sell your property, and when they sell the property, and this is in the worst case scenario obviously, if they sell the property and they don't have enough funds to pay the loan off, the lender's mortgage insurance company will kick in and pay the bank back. Now, there's a lot of fine print that goes after that. The lender's mortgage insurance company, I believe, will chase you as the client for that money. So that's why some people are very negative about the lender's mortgage insurance. So there is a positive side to it, as I've mentioned in one of my other videos. Is LMI the devil? There's another video you can watch on that, but basically it's here to help Australians get into property and to get into the property market early without a large deposit, which sometimes can be very difficult to raise. So what is it? It's insurance against you. Why do I need it? Well, you don't need it, but you can actually jump into the property market earlier if you have it. So when do you need it is basically when you don't have enough deposit. So if you don't have a 20% deposit, so we're talking 20% of the purchase amount you're looking at, or the purchase price of the property, then you'll need to pay lender's mortgage insurance. The best way to place this is the more deposit you have, the less insurance fee you'll pay, less mortgage insurance fee you pay. So it is scaled up and down, which is great. So if you can save a deposit and you want to keep saving and saving and saving, you're reducing that lender's mortgage insurance fee. The benefit is, like I mentioned earlier, you can get into the property earlier, and it does work off lending margins. So you might have heard the term LVR, or loan to value ratio. So the higher that loan to value ratio, so the higher loan amount against the property, the higher this fee is. It generally kicks in at 80%. So that's where your lender's mortgage insurance fee will kick in, and it will start scaling up from there. However, in recent times, some of the banks that's kicking in a bit earlier at 70 or 75%, and that may be due to postcode restrictions. Some banks and their mortgage insurance companies will impose that lender's mortgage insurance earlier due to a high-risk postcode. And we actually do have a few of them in Mildura at certain banks that won't lend to certain postcodes. So this is where it's really important that you get in touch with us or your broker to find out if where you're looking and you think you've got the right deposit, it might be that the bank you're thinking of going to just doesn't lend in that area, and they're not great at telling you why you can't get a loan with them. And it could be that your deposit's fine with another bank and off you go, and you can get into that property market a bit earlier at a different bank. And again, and the interest rates aren't higher at those banks necessarily, it's just that they have different lending policies. So hopefully you find this really helpful. There's a hell of a lot more information to go through about lender's mortgage insurance, so please feel free to contact us. Like and share on the Facebook page, get the message out there for people, and definitely get in and have a chat to us if you want to know some more. Book a meeting online, or call the office. Thanks for listening, guys, and we'll chat to you soon.